Hi everyone, today in this video we are going to discuss about Sharon Carter in Falcon and the Winter Soldier series and will answer all the rumors which are circulating in the fans right now. But before starting the video, I want to request you guys to give your opinion on our video and tell us what you like and dislike in the video, so we will improve that in our upcoming video. Any suggestions which come directly from you guys is very respectful for us. So without doing further delay, let's get straight to the video. Welcome back everyone. After the third episode of Falcon and the Winter Soldier series, in which we were introduced to Sharon Carter again and got to know a little about his life after Captain America Civil War. There are many rumors and theories circulating around her character becoming the power broker, which is my opinion is very funny, as power broker is supposed to be the ruler of Madripoor and supposed to be there even before the events of Captain America Civil War. So how can she be the power broker? In my opinion, Sharon Carter is not power broker, but she is in Madripoor for a very important mission. We all know that Sharon Carter was once a SHIELD agent, and we all know that Nick Fury is not the guy who will leave an agent on his own, especially the one who saved his life like Sharon Carter. In my opinion, Sharon Carter is working Nick Fury in Madripoor, as Nick Fury and any of his supporters is not welcome in Madripoor. After Civil War, Sharon could have contacted Nick Fury as she once saved her life, and Nick Fury could have took her in the Alliance office with Skrulls. But after Avengers Endgame, when Nick came back to the existence and got to know about the Skrull Hunters, he has given a mission to Sharon Carter to collect all the information about these Skrull Hunters. Sharon can easily get into the Madripoor because she is supposed to be a criminal in US, and power broker doesn't have problem with Sharon. Well, if you guys like to know how Marvel is trying to form a new SHIELD, visit the link which is showing on the top of the screen right now. Well, if you missed the link, I will put the link again at the end of the video. Now let's get back to the topic of today's video. Sharon, while helping Sam, have opened herself up to the power broker about his royalty, and soon power broker will find out whose side Sharon Carter is on. I personally believe that Sharon Carter is going to play a major role in the upcoming 2 episodes of Falcon and the Winter Soldier series, where we see Sharon getting trapped by the power broker and Sam and Bucky going there to save her from him. Sharon is right now in Power Broker radar, as the golden fish of Madripoor is dead, and Power Broker will do everything in his power to get the Super Soldier Serum. The two hope that Power Broker have to get the serum is through the Flag Smashers or trap Bucky somehow and experiment of him to get back the serum out of him. The first option of getting serum from the Flag Smashers is now dusted, as Zemo destroyed all the serum that those guys had. So the last option that left for the Power Broker is to get the serum out of Bucky, so for this cause he will trap Sharon. Sharon on the other hand is working for Nick Fury, so we might see a crossover in last 2 episodes in between Nick Fury, Falcon and Bucky to save Sharon. The Captain America and Flag Smasher are going to play their part in between, but I believe Power Broker will not target them anymore after getting to know that the serum that Flag Smasher had is all gone now, as the serum the Flag Smasher and the US agent used is a replica of the original one, so if he try to make his own from it, it might be not so effective. Thank you everyone for watching our video. If you guys like to know about what role Baron Zemo is going to play in upcoming episode of Falcon and the Winter Soldier series, click on the left side and click right if you want to know how SHIELD will be back in MCU. Thank you.